Guys, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook luncheon meat with mushroom and gravy. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Soy sauce, salt, black pepper, butter, mushroom, and then bell pepper, garlic, onions, and then the luncheon meat. And so, okay, so the luncheon meat first. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna fry this one until cook. Okay. Luncheon meat that I fried, and then we're gonna we're gonna add a butter. I just use a tablespoon of butter, guys, and then a tablespoon of flour also. Make a rogay, okay? Okay guys, and we're gonna add a cup of water. Okay, I think this is two cups of water. Okay. And then we're gonna add cubes. Since our luncheon meat is chicken, so I'm gonna add chicken cubes also. Okay guys, so it's almost thicker, but I'm gonna add the garlic, the onions, and all this one, and then black pepper, and then a little soy sauce, because this is 2 cups of water, so I put a little soy sauce to make the color more nicer, more appealing, so that the gravy where it's more appealing. If there's it's like a more not pale, so I put a little soy sauce. Okay. We're gonna make it a little more thicker. Onions and the bell pepper and black pepper is already absorbed in the gravy, so it's very tasty already. And now it seems that just a little soy sauce. Okay, that's enough. Then okay, to make more appealing. Okay, so now it's time for the mushroom. Okay. Okay guys, look at that one. It's super yummy na. Okay. So it's okay guys, it's very tasty. And yeah, add the luncheon meat. Okay. Okay guys, look at that one. Okay guys, it's super yummy. Our luncheon meat with mushroom and gravy. Okay, look at guys, our luncheon meat with mushroom and gravy. It's very yummy. And now it's tasting time. Oh my god, it's super yummy. So it's tasting time guys. Just use this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the mushroom and the gravy. Oh guys, look at that one. Oh, okay, that's our one. I'm going to taste it. Okay, okay guys, it's super hot. That's super yummy. And then the gravy, guys, it's not salty. It's just enough. Okay. From the luncheon meat. Super yummy, guys. Okay guys, so that's our luncheon meat with mushroom and gravy. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Brew Ja, to my Instagram, D_Brew_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Daily of Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.